Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going over basically my 92-day review on Bitconnect. I've been on here started on April 16th, so it's been over 3 months now of getting paid daily on Bitconnect. So far it's been going really good. Basically just going to go over my results that I've had so far and basically show you kind of the rundown of how much I've earned and how much I've invested, and kind of show basically, if it's something you're looking into trying out, just to try and give you some more information on that basically. So, obviously, if you don't know what, Bitconnect is, it's a platform here where, it deals with cryptocurrency. Mainly deals with Bitcoin, and they have their own cryptocurrency called Bitconnect. Right now, one Bitconnect token is, or one Bitconnect coin, I guess you can call it, is worth $56.12, and Bitcoin is at $22.29. So Bitcoin went up 15% today. Now, the way this platform works and makes money basically is there's multiple ways you can make money on here. You can do pretty much anything that you can do with other cryptocurrencies and then some. You can do mining. You can mine the Bitconnect tokens. If we go to the main page here, we can take a look so you can kind of get an idea of what this Bitconnect has to offer. So as you can see here, there's, you can do mining, and they have all the information here about how to get started mining Bitconnect coins. And they have staking, where you can download the Bitconnect wallet and you can earn 8% interest per month off of your coins if you want to do staking. And also they have trading. They have their own exchange here on their platform, where you can deposit Bitcoin and you can trade off of the price volatility of Bitconnect tokens, or coins I should call them. And you can also get news on here. This is a good place to get some good news. They have information on everything from regulations to technology to altcoin information news. Basically it's a really great site to look for any news articles. They have press releases on here. As you can see here, this is some of their news articles here talking about SegWit and Mt. Gox, talking about blockchain and Microsoft here. And also these are global sites, so you can see that they're not only an American website, which mainly I think they're they're not from the United States, but you can see here they have Vietnam, South Korea, Indonesia, Japan, Thailand, and also they have all their social media links as well. They have their Twitter page here. They have their Facebook page. This is their Twitter page here, as you can see, and they're very current with their Twitter page. As you can see, they just posted 12 hours ago. So they're very active on Twitter, social media. They're on Facebook. So definitely a lot of information that you can find on the website here about Bitconnect. And also, of course, if you check the coin market cap, they are on the coin market cap. So I believe they're like number 11 or 12, I think. Let's take a look here. Yep, number 13. So they're right under Veritasium. So they went up 16% today. Looks like a lot of the coins are up today. The big one here, Bitcoin up almost 16%, and that is amazing for anyone involved with Bitconnect, especially if you're taking a part of the lending program. And that's the next thing I was going to mention. Is this is the main thing that I'm taking part of, is this invest here. If you click on invest, you can find out about they have an investment platform where basically they have a lending program where you can deposit Bitcoin and you can buy the Bitconnect coin, and then you can lend out the Bitconnect coin, and then you can earn your daily profit. So basically how it says, you can invest Bitconnect coin in the Bitconnect lending platform exclusively from the dashboard. This investment option involves profiting from the Bitcoin trading bot and volatility software. So they have two things here. They have a Bitcoin trading bot and they have a volatility software. So you receive daily payments. So basically, you can expect these guys aren't guaranteeing any certain percentages. So for instance, if you do a loan, you will earn daily interest payments, and you will collect daily payments for 299 days, and then your initial capital release is returned back to you in your lending wallet, and then you can choose to either reinvest or you can cash it out at that time. So as you can see here, if you do $100 to $1,000, if you lend it out, basically they're not guaranteeing you any certain percentages per day for $100 through $1,000, but the amounts you can earn through this volatility software are very good. Now, since Bitcoin has been super volatile lately, the amounts that you can earn on here have been going up because of the increase in volatility, and that's how it makes money. So basically, last month, Bitcoin was kind of flat around the $2,500 level. So on here we were getting kind of low payments. We had a couple days with no interest paid out, and there's also quite a few days with low interest rate payments because there was not much volatility, because it trades off of the price fluctuation of Bitcoin going up and down. But now this month, leading up to the August 1st SegWit stuff, the volatility has been huge. So we went from last month, it was only about a 0.75% interest rate that we're getting per day, which was still pretty good. But now that the volatility has picked up, the amounts that I'm earning on here are really good now, like way better than last month. I think this might be one of the highest months. I mean, it says the maximum you can earn is up to 40% in a month, and I think between this month and next month, I do think that we could get close to that 40% the way it's been looking. But as you can see here, over the last 5 days, we got 0.79, 0.10, 0.97, 0.96, 1.7, and 1.03. And you can see here, you can go through the all-time chart and see that they had started doing this on January, February, March of 2016. So it's been around for over a year now, paying out this interest rates. Me personally, I've been in this for 92 days, and I've been collecting my payments for 92 days now, and I've been earning great, results with it. So basically, I have, if I go to my account here, I have $10,640 in loans. I only started out with a $100 loan 3 months ago, and I just wanted to test it out, see if it was really real, to see if I was actually going to earn my interest rates. I wasn't sure. It was still relatively pretty new at the time. So I decided, I was going to take a risk and take a gamble with a $100 loan and see how it paid for me, what it did. And my results after the first month, I earned about 23% interest on my first month, which means that I got paid daily in my lending wallet every day for the whole first month off my $100 initial loan, which I can show you. Go transaction here. But I got paid daily for my first month every single day pretty much, and I earned every single day. And if we go to Lent, you can see, I can go to page 2 here, and you can see that my first $100 loan, as I said, was on 4/16, which was 92 days ago. It was $100, and like I said, I earned $23 of interest my first month, which I started to reinvest, because you can do compounding interest on here, where you can take your earnings and reinvest them back into the program to increase your daily payouts. So I did a $100 loan on 4/16, and after I seen the results on 5/20, I decided to go ahead and do a $110 loan. So I upped my loan a little bit, I think I was cashing out a little bit too in the beginning, just to kind of test it out to see if it let me cash out, which it did. And then I continued doing more $100 loans. I did $80 loans. The whole time I was doing this, I was sharing my experience on YouTube with everybody to see. So, and I have a sign up link. So if you want to sign up, that'll be in the comments in the description if you're interested in trying this out. But for me personally, I think it's been going great. So when individuals sign up and they use my link, I do get a bonus for showing it to them. So basically how it works is I think you get like a 7% bonus. So anything that I was earning pretty much from as bonuses from signups, I was putting back into the system pretty much everything that I earned. So I was pretty much, I did $300 loans, 70, 80, 10. So as I got my daily payouts, I would continue to reinvest. That's all these $10 ones. And then anytime I had like a referral bonus or anything like that, I would also put that in. So that was like this $80, this $570 here. This was a day when somebody signed up, and I think they did a big loan on here on 610. And so, I reinvested that. And then I continued reinvesting, and I did my first $1,000 plus loan on 6/18, which is about a month ago. And then I did another $1,000 loan here, another $1,000 loan, another $1,000 loan, and then a $3,260 loan. So as you can see, the amount I'm earning is growing, and the amount I'm investing is earning, and my daily payouts is growing as well. And that's the power of compounding interest. So if I go to my lending wallet, I can go profit. And you can see here, these are all my payouts for today, because every single time I reinvest, it starts a new loan. So I have I've done that over 40 times. So as you can see here, you can reinvest as little as $10. So just from today alone, these are all my payouts for today. So I got $1.72 off a $100 loan, which was a 1.77% interest rate today. And then same here, $1.42 off an $80 loan. So a $1,030 loan, I do get a 0.1% interest bonus. So if I show you to the lending here, you do get a bonus if you have a loan for over 1,010, as you can see here, and that's where I was talking about guaranteed earnings. The only thing that they promise for you to earn for the day is a 0.1% daily, plus whatever you earn through the volatility software interest. So if there's a day where there's not much volatility, you'll still get that 0.1% if you do over a $1,010 loan. And also you get your capital release back a little bit sooner too. So as you can see here, all these are 1.77, but since this one is over 1,030, I got 1.87 because I did get that, that guaranteed 0.1. But that's the only thing they promise you, is if you have over $1,010, you'll get a 0.1% per day. But other than that, the amount you earn, varies every single day, depending on the fluctuation of the Bitcoin volatility. And I do believe that they are really doing this trading and volatility, because on the days when there's not much volatility, the payouts are pretty relatively low. And on days when there's big, huge volatility, like today, 15%, went up 15% today. So if we look at, let's take a look here at the volatility software interest. So since Bitcoin went up 15%, this is going to be a huge, huge day, right? So if we go to the real-time chart, we can see here it's up to almost 2%. It's up to 1.88%, which is one of the highest payouts that I've seen so far, and that's due to a 15% change in the Bitcoin price. So the amount you earned is relative to the amount of the fluctuation. If you compare it to the Bitcoin price and the volatility, the numbers add up, and it seems very, very believable. It's very believable, and the amounts they're paying are reasonable. It's not like they're promising to double your money in 30 days. If you're looking for something like that, this isn't for you. But this is more of a longer term investment, where you can expect to maybe make 1% or less maybe per day. On average, I don't even think it's 1% for the last 6 months. It's less than 1%. It's like 0.8, which is pretty reasonable being in the cryptocurrency space where there can be huge earnings, where coins can go up 30-40% in a day. So for a trading bot, which are real things, I've seen websites where you can purchase these trading bots. A 1% gain is not a big deal in the cryptocurrency market. If you've been around for a while, 1% is nothing. So it's a very reasonable, realistic earnings that we're getting. And there's not really any high guarantees or anything like that. So basically, these are all my payouts for today. All of these, 117. Because I do reinvestments every single day. I've done more loans every single day. I'm up to $10,000 in loans. So I'm hoping to get this up to, my goal is personally to get it up to 30,000. So I do have quite a ways to go. But as you can see here, if we look at the Lend Bitconnect here, you just deposit Bitcoin, you use the exchange, you get your Bitconnect tokens, and then you hit Lend Bitconnect. And these are your capital release days, meaning you're not purchasing anything. Basically, you get your money back after the amount of days here, which there's already proof. There's already videos and screenshots of individuals who started before I did, who have already gotten their capital releases. There's people that have been earning on here for over a year. And like I said, I've been on here for over 92 days now. Been collecting my daily payments, no problem at all. So if you want to get an idea, like I said, it's around 1%. The last 6 months, it's been 0.82. So if we take this amount here, and let's say you do the $1,010 loan, you will get the 1% bonus, and you'll be earning daily interest for 239 days, which is great. And then at the end of the 239 days, you get this $1,010 back. So as you can see here, over the 239 days, you'll profit about $2,220 based off of the 0.82%, if that's what you would earn for the future, plus the 0.1. So that's actually 0.92. And if you include your capital release back, that would be $3,230 off a $1,000 loan. So that's pretty good. You're pretty much gonna that would be tripling your money pretty much. Over 8 months basically. So that's not unheard of. In the cryptocurrency space. There's people who have made 10 to 20 times their amount in a single day investing in an altcoin which blew up, and got super pumped, right? So earning daily average payments is with the trading bot has been working for me, and that's the only thing I can share with you is my experience, and kind of show you as much information as I can. To help inform you, if this is something you'd want to do. Now, of course, there's always risk involved with any type of investment, and there's nothing really guaranteed. But for me, I was willing to take the risk, and I wanted to share my opportunity or share my results with everybody. And if anybody wanted to join me along the way, I do have a link. If you want to join, I have a team of people, all on this program with me. We're all earning together. Quite a few people are doing the compounding interest because, if you take this, let's say for 30 days, right? If you do $1,000 loan, you'll earn $278. Now, if you reinvest that $278, then your total loan amounts would be $1,288, right? So then the next month you'd be earning about $355. And if you add that $355 onto there, then let's take a look here. 355 plus 1288. Then you're up to 1643. Oops. 1643. And then you're earning about $453 a month. So as you continue to reinvest, which I have been doing, everything that I've earned, like I can show you here, I've earned about quite a bit of money through people signing up because I do have a larger viewer base who are interested in this program, and as a result of me sharing this with them, I do get a bonus. So I think around 200 people signed up with my link. Not all of the people signed up. Not all the people are reinvesting, but Some people are just cashing out every day, which is fine. Some people are just trying to cash out their initial investment back and then start reinvesting. But for me, I'm more of an aggressive type investor, and I really do believe in this program. So I've pretty much reinvested everything I've earned. As you can see here, it's $8,623 that I've earned. The individuals who I personally referred have taken out $112,000 worth of loans. So there are people doing large loans on here, which I earned about $7,000 for that. And everything pretty much that I've earned, I've reinvested. So I'm not on here to just sign people up and take cash out all the money and keep it all for myself. No, I'm reinvesting every penny. As you can see here, I have $10,640 in loans, and I've only earned $8,600 for the referral bonuses. So if you subtract the $8,600 from my $10,600, right? Minus $8,600. You can see here that I'm personally invested over $2,000 myself, and I've also reinvested everything that I've earned from the referral program, because I really do truly believe in this, and I want to build this up to $30,000. And the reason why I want to build it up to $30,000 is because I will be earning, if I get this up to $30,000 in loans, I'll be earning about $300 a day, which would be about a lot of money. It's going to be a lot of money. So that's why I'm reinvesting. I'm not in this for the short term. I'm in this for the long term. I'm looking at this with the big picture here. As you can see here, I've earned $2,291 in interest off of my $10,640 in loans. So you can see here, my amount that I'm earning is almost 30% already and my active investment is actively growing all the time. So it's been great. Plus earning the US dollar amounts every day. Even if the price of Bitcoin or any of the cryptocurrencies go down, I can take these US dollars and go and buy into Bitcoin or buy into altcoins when the prices are low, since I'm getting paid in US dollars every day. So I've been able to buy, I've been buying Steam Power. So I took a few $100s out and I bought some Steam Power, but now I'm pretty much trying to build up to do another $1,000 loan. So, but this video is getting pretty long here, so I'm going to be wrapping it up here. So thanks to everyone who's been watching. My earnings have been going pretty good on here. If you want to sign up, there'll be a link in the description in the comments. If you want to sign up, do a $100 loan or more. Obviously, the more you loan, the more you're going to earn per day. And if you're doing compounding interest, you can really build up your account pretty quickly. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.